Did you know that a simple smell can change the way a child feels? It's true. Scents can make it easier for kids to focus and feel calm. They can even help children manage big feelings like anger or worry. This is because our sense of smell is directly connected to the part our brain controls emotions. Think about how baking bread makes you feel warm and happy, or how the smell of rain can be calming. Scents can create powerful memories and feelings. In a world full of distractions, using smell can help children find moments of peace. PedaYoga is a special kind of yoga just for kids. It uses fun and playful ways to help children learn about mindfulness and meditation. One of the ways PedaYoga does this is by using essential oils and incense. Essential oils are natural oils that come from plants. They have strong scents that can have different effects on our minds and bodies. For example, lavender oil is known for its calming effect, while peppermint oil can make you feel more alert. Meditation is like exercise for the mind. It helps us focus, relax, and manage our emotions. But for children, sitting still and focusing can be a real challenge. This is where the magic of scent comes in. Pleasant scents can grab a child's attention and make the idea of sitting still more appealing. By focusing on a scent, children can gently bring their attention inward. This helps them learn to focus and quiet their minds, making meditation a more enjoyable experience. In PedaYoga, we learn that our breath is a powerful tool. It can help us feel calm when we are upset or worried. When we pair specific scents with breathing exercises, we create a magical combination. For example, we can use a calming scent like chamomile or lavender. As children breathe in the gentle aroma, they can imagine breathing in calmness and peace. As they breathe out, they can imagine letting go of any worries or stress. A rainbow of scents. Just like there are many colors in a rainbow, there are many different essential oils, each with its unique scent and effect. Gentle and calming oils like lavender, chamomile, and sandalwood are known for their relaxing properties. They can help reduce anxiety, improve sleep, and create a sense of peace. Uplifting and energizing scents like peppermint, lemon, and orange can boost energy levels, improve focus, and uplift the mood. Finding peace through smell. Using scents in meditation offers many benefits for children. It helps them manage emotions, as calming scents can help children learn to self-soothe and manage big feelings like anger, frustration, or anxiety. Certain scents, like peppermint, can improve concentration and attention span, which can be particularly helpful for children who find it hard to focus. Using scents like lavender in a child's bedroom can create a relaxing atmosphere that promotes better sleep. Essential oils and kids. Safety first. While essential oils are natural, it's essential to use them safely with children. Always dilute essential oils in a carrier oil, such as almond oil or jojoba oil, before applying to the skin. Stick to 100% pure essential oils and avoid synthetic perfumes, which can contain harmful chemicals. Before using a new essential oil, do a patch test on a small area of skin to check for any allergic reactions. A calming ritual for little yogis. Let's end with a simple yoga pose and a positive affirmation that children can use with a calming scent like lavender. Butterfly pose. Sit with the soles of your feet together, letting your knees gently fall open like butterfly wings. Gently hold a lavender sachet near your nose and take a deep breath in, smelling the calming scent. As you breathe out, say to yourself, I am calm. I am peaceful. By incorporating the power of scent into PedaYoga, we can help children access deeper levels of calm, focus, and emotional well being.